Good morning, year two. We're on maths now for Friday. Hope you're all okay this morning. Okay, so we're following on our theme today. We're going to be counting in tens. We've done twos, we've done fives. So a few things to remember, a couple of things to remember, sorry. When you're counting in tens, obviously counting in tens can include your multiples of 10. So if you look down here, your multiples of 10 are the numbers that end in 0. So those are in your 10 times tables. Obviously, when you're counting in tens as well, you can start from any number, and it's only the tens column that changes. Like we say in class, you can ignore those ones, because if you look at the ones I'm pointing to here, it is only the tens that are changing. So you've got 2, 12, 22, 32, 42, and if you carried on, you would continue going up in your tens. All right, just a little visual to try and help you. So here I've got a number. I've got 1 10 and 2 1s. So what is that number going to be? It's going to be the number 12. However, if I said to you, right, I want to increase the number 12 by 10, what would we do? We'd just add another 10. We're going to ignore those ones. They're staying put, they're fine. However, we do need another 10. And as you'll be able to see here, it is only the 10 number that increases. So the 10s goes up by 1. And if you were to continue doing that, you'd have 32, 42, 52, but the 2 would stay the same. Right, let's have a look at some questions together. So similar to what we've been doing this week, sequences, really common typical questions these. So filling in the missing numbers on the sequence, you know that you are counting in tens. So if we're increasing 10 by 10, it's going to be 20. So tricky to write on a laptop like this. 30, 40, 50, 60. I think the majority of you will be fine with that. And then obviously we've got our 22 here, which we've just done a little bit on. So looking at your tens, ignoring the ones, they're going to be going up in 10. So I'll get my pen back on. So 22, tens increases by 1, 32, increasing again, 42, then 52 and 62. There we go. If you do want to have a number grid next to you, like the splat square when you're doing this, that's fine. Okay, so this one says match the bead strings to the correct number. Let me get my little arrow. So we know that each lot of these is worth 10. So you've got 10, 20, 30. So that one there is going to be A. And then 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 6 lots of 10. And then finally 10, 20, 30, 40, 4 lots of 10 there. Right, so reading the question carefully, we've got little birds in a tree. There are 10 birds in each tree, and it's asking you what the total amount of birds is together. So what do you think it would be? We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 trees, and there are 10 in each. So you're literally just counting up in your tens. So you've got 10, 20, 30, 40. So the total amount, everybody, is going to be 40 birds. I don't know if you can hear Olive snoring in the background. She's been snoozing all morning. Next question, we have got flowers. So Gemma needs 70 flowers for her wedding decorations. Does she have enough here? Right, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lots of 10. If you count up 6 lots of 10, so 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, no, she's not going to have enough. She needs 10 more. So no. Oh my goodness, sorry about my writing. She has 60. I missed my boarding class, everybody. There we go. No, she only has 60. Then finally, counting in tens, going from 33 up to 83. So just doing numbers that obviously aren't your multiples of 10 and having some practice on that. If you want to show mums and dads and grown-ups at home the splat square and have a go with that, I can copy the link for that, no problem. Just getting really confident in your counting tens from any number. Okay, so it's going to be 33. Looking here, we've got 33. Let me go, actually get my little highlighter for this one. I'm going to choose blue. 33. So if we're looking at 33, we're going to be looking at these numbers here. The 3s stay the same, but you are going to be increasing by 10 each time. So 33, 43, 53, 63, and 73. Alternatively, you could have gone down from 83 and decreased. Okie doke. Questions are going to be on your learning from home sheet. Try your best, use a splat square if needed, and remember your rules for counting up and down in tens. Okay, well done everybody, keep up the fantastic work. Thank you.